Good morning, everybody. Welcome to my I don't give a crap morning. It is currently 8:45. I woke up at sorry, I forgot Ben doesn't have clothes on. Sorry. I woke up at 7 o'clock this morning and I just couldn't sleep. Ben woke up at 7 and then Charlotte woke up about 30 minutes ago. I finished a movie that I started watching a couple of days ago. Since I can't watch a lot of movies, you know, that I used to because of the kids, because they're not appropriate for the kids, which is totally fine. So I finally finished that movie this morning. Benjamin, can you just hold on for a second, honey? Just stand over there. Sorry, I just don't want him, he doesn't have clothes on. But I ended up getting this, I bought this a couple days ago, this rotating thing. So when I do make my cups, I'm going to actually have a video of it rotating so you guys can see all around. So I'm working on that. I'm actually getting a page started for my business, and then the people who reached out to me, I'm going to start working on that this week. So I got a busy week. I'm trying to get, I picked up this place a little bit, got a little bit more. Graham worked at 7 probably, I don't even know what time he left. He left early this morning. But when he gets back, I'm going to try to run some more errands because I have like Kohl's Cash that's expiring, and they just opened everything up in our area. Today is the day where they opened phase 1. Not everything, but they opened phase 1. They're opening them little by little. So I'm hoping Kohl's and Hobby Lobby are open today. Otherwise, I have to buy it online, and I really don't want to because it's going to cost more. But yeah, I have no idea how hot it's gonna be. Yesterday when we came back from Chinese food, it was 86 degrees. That was before the sun was like coming down. But after I ended this video, Ben went to the neighbor's house to play chalk, and we ended up staying there till after 9 o'clock just chatting. So that was fun. But it was just a nice, relaxing day yesterday. Like, I haven't had a nice, relaxing, like, holiday in forever. So we just sat back and chilled and relaxed. So I'm going to finish working on my page, get a design set up, and then I'll probably start taking pictures of the color-changing cups, what they look like before and what they look like after. So if anybody wants a specific color-changing cup, I do have it. So that's what I'm going to work on, just kind of building, you know, pictures and all that stuff. I did order some holographic vinyl, so I got that going on. I will probably get all that stuff on Thursday. So I'm hoping to get all my stuff up hopefully by the end of, I got a bug bite or something. I'm hoping I get everything, you know, figured out with my page by the end of this week, but I will be contacting the people who did want me to get stuff. So I'm gonna make a Jen Made It. If you guys want to find it, go for it. I'll put a link in it once I get everything finished, but if you guys want to search for it on Facebook, it'll be that. But yeah, I'm gonna continue finishing what I got, and
okay,
I will see you guys in a bit.
I did it. I made myself a business page. I actually really like it. I'm obsessed with glitter, so I had to do glitter involved, but I really like this. So I got that all down. Now I'm going to start working on albums. I'm going to start taking pictures of the cups right now so people can start getting an idea what they do. But I love how this turned out. Hey you guys, so Charlotte's almost ready for a nap. It is currently, hold on princess, it is currently I think what, 10:47? I don't even know what time it is. 10:47, and right now I'm actually taking pictures of all the color changing cups that show what it looks like with water and without water. So I'm working on that, and then I'm in this thing that it's very hard to get in. I don't even know if they accept any new people anymore, you guys, but it's through Mattel. And I joined like since Ben was just an infant, and we
used to buy at the toy store. We used to buy 5 things.
Yeah. Well, this is a thing where you do review for Mattel, and I signed up Ben when he was an infant, and it took 3 years before they even let me. So they just sent us this Thomas Magic Tracks for free.
And I want to play with it.
Yeah, you can open it. You can open it.
Is there batteries in it?
Yeah, we gotta put batteries in it. But yeah, so we got that for free, and all we have to do is just do like a review, because that's what they post on like websites and all that stuff. But we've gotten, what have we gotten so far? We gotten the dinosaur, we got the Thomas mini calendar, and then we also got like a Hot Wheels car. That was my first one. This is my 4th item that I've gotten.
We got Thomas the Trey one was many, then there's so many.
Yeah, so basically what they do is they send you an email and you have to get...
Christmas was over and then we started to open all of them.
So what happens is when the thing is open, you have to get your request, and you can only pick one toy. I think it depends on how many kids or how many they let you, but most of the time it's one. And most of the time,
we forgot to get one for Charlotte.
They didn't have an option for Charlotte. But the thing is, they have like maybe 3 or 4 toys for boys, and the rest are all Barbies. So like you got to be quick, especially with those boy toys. And then like the thing shuts off in like 24 hours, and then they mail it out. So I mean, they do this pretty quickly. But lately we've been getting a couple of them, but that's kind of cool. I think it's like, I don't even know what it's, Mattel Toy Tester or something, I don't know. This is why I started YouTube, was to sign up for all this free stuff, and I really wanted to do that, but he's all excited because we have tons of Thomas tracks, and we love these. These are, I thought we were gonna get like a 3-pack, but it's only one, but I'm not complaining. Pull it out, honey. There you go. Good job. But here, let me show everybody what it looks like. Can I see the packaging or the thing? So this is kind of cool. It's like a cheetah. It's like a party. It's so cool.
Hey, Cheetos!
Cheetos?
Yeah.
So that's what Ben is gonna be playing with right now, and then we're gonna set up some tracks and take some photos. So we got that going on, right, Miss Charlotte?
Yeah.
Oh my God! But it is a gorgeous day outside, you guys. So we're gonna enjoy it later today. But
okay, you guys, it's 12:10. I'm making lunch right now. I'm gonna have hot dogs because I have hot dogs that are gonna go bad. I'm currently working on picking up a bunch of stuff. Charlotte's taking a nap right now, so I am gonna start getting all the cups all gathered up and start bringing those downstairs and putting them in my area. I got a bunch of craft stuff I need to bring downstairs. I'm going to film my 2 like 4th of July wreaths that I haven't touched in a while. I need to finish that, so I'm gonna try to work on that today and get that video posted either today or tomorrow. I'm just picking up a bunch of stuff. I'm like freezing cold all of a sudden, so I might put some pants on. But I'm gonna empty the dishwasher. So I hope, I don't know what time, I think I put her to bed like maybe 30 minutes ago, 45 minutes ago. I'm hoping I can eat lunch, empty the dishwasher, finish my 4th of July video, and get the cups all dried out because I had to take before and after photos before she wakes up. That is what I'm hoping to do, you guys. I just feel like I got stuff to do, so looking forward to that. I did pick up a little bit this morning, but I'm getting ready to get more stuff done, so pretty excited. And for my website, I'm starting, or for my little Facebook page, I am starting to put stuff on there, so you guys will have to check that out. But right now, I'm just gonna continue doing what I'm doing and get some stuff done. Hey you guys, so it's 2:49. I got everything that I wanted done that I said I was gonna do. I finished my movie that I watched. And so then I always lose my phone. I always put my phone somewhere and then I can't find it. This happens on a regular basis. It's like I need a magnet attached to my hip. But, so I read an email that I got. Now I told you guys I was having problems with my Fetch Rewards app. I've been having a lot of people commenting on how to use the Fetch Rewards app. I made the video in October. It was my very first sponsorship that I got from Fetch Rewards. And I've been getting a ton of people saying, oh, it doesn't work in my region. How do you get it to work in my region? Or I can't get my phone numbers. Or how come it won't let me redeem it? Well, what is going on is the Fetch Rewards app is only available in the United States, okay? I even have it in there. I even have it where if you guys, you know, put your referral link, you will get blocked and deleted. I block and delete at least 3 to 5 people every single day off the comments off of that video alone. And what it is, it's people that live in a foreign country, because the way their name is, and then when I block them, they have like videos and they're foreign. You can just tell. They always are saying, hey, I need this many points to get myself a Visa card, Everybody wants a Visa card because that's the only thing that they can use in the out of the country. Like all the other gift cards that you guys can redeem is for the United States only. So I've noticed that they used to have it where you could get a $50 Visa gift card. Now they don't. They have it where I don't even know what it is anymore. Because I used to buy like the $50 gift cards and then I would go and buy like a Michael's gift card. But there's been a ton of people abusing the Fetch Rewards system,
and they come up and they come complain to me. They're like, oh, this isn't working, this isn't working. There's nothing that I can do for Fetch. I will help people's, I'm not complaining, I'm just complaining to you guys. I'm not like blaming any of you guys. It's the people who don't watch my videos. But they're always complaining like, I can't get this to work, or I can't do this. I'm like, contact Fetch, contact Fetch, contact Fetch. Like, there's nothing that I can do. I just made a video showing you guys how to use the app. So, as I was saying yesterday, I've been having problems with my app. Like, the other day, I was trying to redeem a gift card because Graham did mention this. With everything going on right now, you shouldn't have a lot of money in your apps because you don't know what company could be going down. And you don't know if the apps are hurting or anything. So, I was going to redeem, you know, some gift cards just so I had them because you don't know what's going to happen. Well, it said, oops, unable to happen or something like that. So I messaged them and they're like, hey, take a screenshot. And I'm like, okay. So I took a screenshot, and then the next day she said, it was this, I've been talking to the same person the whole time. The next day she's like, uninstall and reinstall the app. Okay, so I did that. Then all day yesterday, I was not, was it Saturday or Sunday? I can't remember, but all day, one of those days, I could not sign in. It would not let me sign in. And then like another pop-up said, unable to sign in, and then there's like a parentheses 11. I'm like, I have no idea what this is. So I screenshotted that and sent them that message also. So then, I just got an email from them, and I am like beyond pissed. You guys, hold on, I gotta find... Sweet, somebody responded back to me that I've been waiting for a message for. So she wrote, so I wrote, like, I'm having problems. I gotta go on the top. This is like non-stop. Come on, let's go. So she wrote back, seriously, how far do I have to scroll up? She wrote back today about, hold on, I gotta find it. Just give me 1 second. Okay, install. Why is this so freaking hard to find? Okay, this is making me mad. I'm gonna be right back. Okay, you guys, so it said, hello, thank you for contacting Fetch Reward. Now, this is my 4th time contacting them over the last couple days. After a manual review, we have reversed the deactivation on your account. We sincerely apologize for the convenience. If you have any questions, please let us know. So, I'm like beyond pissed because it's like, I promote their thing so much, and so I should leave it that way, but I didn't. I actually responded back to her, and I'm like, I'm just curious, why did I get deactivated? Like, what was the reason? I know there's a lot of people abusing the system. Ibotta a couple years ago, they actually put a hold on my account, and I responded to them. I'm like, hey, why do I have a hold on my account? Because I was getting so many referrals, they thought that I was just making tons of fake accounts. And that's what people are doing with the Fetch Rewards app right now. But I watched a video Gina was talking about this couple days ago. They can track that. They can track all that stuff for you. Benjamin, be nice to your sister. Don't do that, honey. Don't do that. So, I'm just curious. And I said, you know, I've used Fetch. Ben, please, don't. Don't, honey. Give her the remote, please. She likes to hold the remote. So, I'm like, you know, why did I get deactivated? I'm just curious how I got deactivated. What did I do? I said, been using Fetch. I says, you guys even sponsored me. I went on a tour with, you know, that person. Her name, I can't remember her name, but I just mailed it. I'm like, I physically know, and this person is at the same location that I went on a tour with. So if I have any problems, I do have a contact for somebody with Fetch, because it's like I promote Fetch for you guys all the time. So I don't know. That's my little bickering. I'm just kind of ticked off because it's like, really? You just deactivate somebody? So I'm gonna just figure out what's going on, because that's what I want to know. So Benjamin wants to show you what he made.
Oh my gosh.
I don't like, your face is filthy.
I'm gonna show you my shirt.
Oh, he got a new shirt. Awesome sauce.
And I got another.
He picked it out. He wanted that shirt, and he picked it out.
Another shirt of a T-Rex.
And a T-Rex shirt, because I had rewards that were expired. So that is what's going on with me today, you guys. It's just like, but it's 2:56. Grandma should be home within the next 45 minutes. I found out my Hobby Lobby is open. I hope Kohl's is open, because I know this is too much information for you guys, but I need a new bra. I used to wear Victoria's Secret bras all the time. Awesome, right? That's fine. But then when I got pregnant, I started getting the not underwire bra because, you know, with the nursing, but now it's like I want to kind of get the same bra that I got before minus the nursing bras. So, and I'm a person who has to try them on because I'm a weird shape. So, there's that, but I bet you they probably won't let you try them on. I don't know. I just need to look at them. That's all I want to physically do. So yes, I'm going to go to probably Michael's. I'm going to go to Hobby Lobby and Kohl's today. Those are my 3 stores that I want to go to. I don't need to go to the Dollar Tree, which is a miracle. I got that out of my system. But yes. And then I'll bring dinner home because, I don't know, if you guys notice, we don't eat dinners at home like we used to. I mean, we do, but it's hard to do it when Graham's at work and I'm here with the kids and Ben's a picky eater. Charlotte eats what I eat, but that's pretty much it. So I think Gina and Llewellyn are texting me right now, so I gotta read my messages. But
hey
I'll catch you back in a bit. 4:18. Graham got home about maybe 20-ish, a little over 20 minutes ago. I said, I'm gonna go run out. Well, why do you need to go out? Because they just opened everything up in our area and I need to get some things because that's just what I am working on, a project. I need to get it. Well, why do you? Yeah. I just wish you'd go when I'm at work. I can't bring the kids in places, so I have to go now. That's just what I deal with. So I'm going shopping by myself, you guys, for a while. So I just went to Menards, Kohl's, Joann's, Michael's, Hobby Lobby, and Target. I just ran in and ran out. Got out. I pretty much did all this stuff in less than an hour and a half. Now I'm gonna pick up food. But yes, I'm excited for everything that I got. I got everything on my list except one thing, which I knew they weren't gonna have it in stock, but I am pretty happy. So I'm gonna go get food for everybody. And
okay,
I will
little
catch you
Miss
guys back.
Charlotte dropped Ben's underwear over the deck because somehow that's her like new blankie. So we're seeing how fast Ben can grab it.
Grab it.
Go, 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 go. And see how fast he can bring back the underwear. Yes! Good job, Miss Charlotte. Good job. Here comes your brother. Make sure you shut the front door. Give your sister your
50
underwear.
50 seconds. Good job, bud. Man, that was a good one. That was a good challenge.
There is a nasty storm coming.
See this, how you do it?
It's perfect weather right now, but they said like we're in a very bad thunderstorm, but I don't know. We will see what happens. We are currently just chilling in the backyard, and that's what we're gonna do for a while until it starts raining because it's just gorgeous weather. What time is it? It is 7:59. Whoa. We will see you guys all tomorrow with more stuff to do. We're just gonna stay. I felt some sprinkles. So we're gonna just see what tomorrow brings us. Ben has a meeting on Zoom that we have to do tomorrow. But other than that, that's what we're gonna do. See you guys all later. Have a good night. Bye.